Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're doing a summer vlog. It's gonna be a little bit different, so I wanted to sit down and kind of film a little intro for you guys so I'm not just like jumping into it and you're like, wow, what's going on? So anyways, this is gonna be a summertime vlog. We're including a recipe, we're including a home workout, we're also including a treatment that gets rid of your underarm sweat, odor, and hair glands. So that's basically a dream come true. So yeah, let me just talk about my experience with this treatment called MiraDry. So they approached me and asked me to get this treatment done, film it for you guys, do a video, and share my thoughts and experience with you guys. And once I heard about it, I didn't even know this was a thing. Once I heard about it, I was like, where do I sign up? Because this sounds amazing. I'm not like a super duper sweaty person, but I will say that I'm like an anxiety sweater. Like when I get nervous about something, I instantly would start sweating underneath my arms. Or like if I'm wearing like really tight clothing, then I'll get, you know, like those wet like pit stains. That is not cute. Also, I've been trying to find like these natural deodorants that actually work, and it's just been like a whole ordeal. So when they approached me to do this treatment, I was like, where has this been all of my life? This is exactly what I'm looking for. I've also been thinking about doing, you know, laser hair removal underneath my arms, and this kind of like just checked all the boxes. So I really wanted to do the treatment and do this video and incorporate it into, you know, like a lifestyle vlog. So here we are. I just wanted to share with you guys my thoughts of the experience really quick, because honestly, I don't have anything really bad to say about it. You'll see how the treatment is done, but it's so quick and easy to do. There's very little downtime. The only thing that I can say is like for a few days after, and you guys will see this a little bit, it's puffy and kind of like a little bit tender just for a few days right after you get the treatment done, and then you're back to normal. Go back to your regular life and not have to worry about, you know, downtime or, you know, waiting for the treatment to kick in. It kicks in, you know, pretty quickly. So yeah, I wish that I had gotten it done sooner, because honestly it's been game changing, especially right now. Like it's summertime, it's 80 degrees, it's humid, and I'm not sweating in my underarms. Normally I would be keeping my arms down like this so you guys don't see my sweat pits, but I don't have that issue. So I wanted to show you guys what the treatment looks like. So I'm gonna insert the footage here, and then we will get into the rest of the vlog. I'm gonna do a recipe for a quick, easy summer dinner, and I'm also gonna do a home workout, because I haven't done a home workout in a vlog recently, and I thought what better time to do it than now to really show you guys that this armpit treatment totally works. So if you guys want to see the treatment, keep watching. I will put all the links and more information in the description box below. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into the footage, and then we will get into the rest of the vlog right after I finish my green juice. Honestly wish I could mirror dry my face, because my nose sweats and then my sunglasses just want to like take a ride downtown, and it's so annoying because I'm just like Steve girl all day, every day.
Hey, it's Dr. Shridharani here at Lux Surgery on 5th Avenue, New York City, talking with Stephanie about a treatment that she's about to undergo, which is one of our favorite treatments to do. It's MiraDry. And what MiraDry basically is, Stephanie, is that it is going to permanently destroy the sweat-producing glands, the odor-producing glands, and the hair follicles in your underarm. So as somebody who is very socially active, for somebody who is all over the world and really interested in lifestyle and having a great lifestyle component, it's going to make your life so much different. You can wear all the different clothing that you want to wear, all by safely permanently destroying those glands and hair follicles. So yeah, you're going to do great.
All right, so the first thing that they did is basically they have this like little stencil, and they mark you up so they know exactly where to numb you and where to actually place the device. They have different sizes depending how big your armpits are, basically. So she put this like little tattoo on, and then they numb the area so you don't feel anything. So overall, it was a pretty painless experience. I mean, the most painful part was definitely just the needles from the numbing, but honestly it was like nothing. So she's just numbing the area, and then she's going in with the actual MiraDry device and placing it in all of the little grids that she just tattooed under my arms. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then she just repeated the process on the other side. So I just finished, and my ice pack's in. It's don't know. It'll probably be bruised, but right now it's still numb, so can't really speak for that. But it was actually really painless. Like once they numbed it, like you don't feel anything. So far so good. So I know armpits like are not cute, but I just wanted to show you guys how it's been looking. I'm home now, so this is what it's looking like. The only thing is that it's been like a little bit puffy, but other than that, I've had no bruising, nothing like that. So it's like a little bit swollen still, but it doesn't hurt. It just feels like a little bit puffy. That's really the only thing that I've noticed, but not black and blue or anything. Like no one would really know. Sorry, I'm just grabbing my boob, but nobody would like know that you had anything done really. Okay, so I just got to the mall. I'm going to head into Target, surprise, surprise. But I wanted to check out their like athletic wear section because I have so many pairs of like leggings and workout leggings, but I don't have like any like workout shirts. So I wanted to see if they had anything cute or, you know, any good like sports bras or anything. So I'm gonna do that and we'll see how much other stuff I end up buying. Now I'm just stopping at the grocery store quick. These are for Tommy, but getting some stuff to do paninis later. All right, let's get this bread. Where is my bread? All about the bread. Best bread ever. Okay, so here's pretty much everything I got from the grocery store. I got a few like other random things too, but these are all the ingredients that I need for what I'm gonna make tonight, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You just take the chicken or grill some chicken, cut it up, put it on some bread with some baby spinach, mozzarella, spread some pesto and some sliced tomatoes on your favorite bread. Throw it on a panini press, George Foreman grill, you know, grill outside, and that's basically it. Super quick, super easy, and that's what I love, especially in the summertime when it's hot and I've just finished working out. Like I want like something I can whip up super fast that still tastes really good. So that's what's gonna be for dinner tonight, and I'll show you guys that really quick after I work out, the end result. But yeah, so I am ready to work out. I'm turning off the air conditioning so we can fully get our sweat on. Before I get started, I did want to mention one of the things about MiraDry I was originally concerned about before I had it done was like, isn't it bad to not sweat? Like what happens to the sweat? And basically what they said is that it's only 2% of your whole body's sweat glands underneath your arms, so it doesn't affect your body's ability to cool down. So if you're wondering about that, that was like one of the main things that I was like a little bit freaked out about, but I have not noticed like more sweat in other places. So I am just gonna get to my workout. I'm gonna remove my slippers. I always just like work out barefoot, and I've just been working out in my living room. So I've got my bands, and then I keep, you know, like my dumbbells and things like this like underneath my couch, and I just slide them in there when I'm done. So this is the workout that I'm doing. I will link to it in the description box, but this is from Lauren Gleisberg. I love her blog. She has so many good at-home workouts. So if you're someone who works at home, I highly recommend you try her out. This is like a little sample from her new summer like weight training plan. So I'm going to be doing this today. So if you want to follow along, obviously, you know, check out her website or just watch what I'm doing, but she obviously does it way better than me. And while I work out, I'm just gonna watch an episode of Big Little Lies. I just started season 2. Please do not spoil it for me, or I will be really sad and I will come after you. out of breath. My face is sweaty. My boobs, very sweaty, but my armpits, they're looking good. Sweat-free is the way to be. So thank you to MiraDry for hooking up my armpits, sponsoring this video, sponsoring my armpits. Can't thank you enough. Wish I did it sooner. Get you some. Whew, now I need food. Let's make food. So now I'm gonna make my panini really quick. I put a little bit of butter on one side of these, just an FYI. And I'm gonna add the pesto. I'm gonna add the chicken. I just took this off of the rotisserie, shredded it up, kind of just like picked it apart. And then I'm gonna add the tomatoes, a little bit of spinach. I've never actually tried it with spinach. Usually I just do basil, but we're gonna try that. And then we have the mozzarella. Gonna add a smidge more pesto on this side because I wanna, you can't have like dry bread, you know. I'm just gonna bring it over here to the good old George. George, come on over here, George. We're gonna throw her on George. Meet George. I should do 2 at a time, but you know, I'm not gonna do that. Just press her down. That's all she wrote. Would you look at that? How good does that look? It looks amazing. So good. Tastes amazing. And I'm not sweating, so boom. Summer vlog accomplished.